What's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Sorry I haven't really done a video lately. Just not feeling up to it. I mean, I did a video a little while ago, but I actually recorded it on a different day, so I just uploaded it that day. So we're going to be finishing the restoration of the 10-year-old desktop. I'm going to do my best. I don't know if my phone decides to overheat again, then I'm just going to use my iPhone. It's just 10 times better quality than that iPhone. I got to get a camera or something. I haven't really done anything with this because I haven't really felt like it. I need to install Windows, and then we're going to clean it up, and that's going to be the end of this. So hope you guys enjoy. So I can't find my flash drives, but we're going to use this CD to install Windows, I guess. I'm not really sure where my flash drives went. I'm going to look for them after this. So yeah, I guess. So we're going to install Windows. I'm not going to leave my phone on while it's installing just so it doesn't overheat, but I actually did put a 500 gig hard drive in here. That 700 gig hard drive, the 750 gigabyte, was completely dead, so I just disposed of it, and now there's a 500 gig hard drive in there. It's 7200 RPM, so it's still good. I already know who's going to use this, so I'm just going to install Chrome, probably an antivirus, so they don't download any more viruses. Probably a good idea. I'm going to tell them I installed an antivirus too, so that they don't kill the computer by deleting the antivirus. I'm going to install like Avast or something that won't bother them. I'll figure it out. I might not even install an antivirus because if I have to fix it again, it's not going to kill me any. So once we get to the installation screen, I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I'm just going to let the installation finish. You guys don't need to sit here and go through the whole installation. I've installed Windows plenty of times on this channel. Keep an eye out for a video on a RX 580, which I have recently purchased. And if you guys want to buy my 1050 Ti, it'll be on eBay and it'll be on Facebook. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll put the link to the eBay link in the description below if you guys want to buy it from me. But yeah, I'll see you soon. This thing is slow as shh. Alrighty guys, I gotta deal with this bullshit, and I'll see you at the desktop. So I actually have, as you can see, this is interesting, it has the Intel G45 and 43 Express chipset. In my opinion, a good chipset for, I think that was the first chipset I had on my Core 2 Duo computer. It was a laptop though. There is a Core 2 Duo in here. I upgraded it because it's going to be a little better than that Pentium. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean this while it is updating and stuff. While it's updating and stuff, I'm going to update you guys as soon as I'm done cleaning it. I'll give you guys an overview of it. I'll take the thumbnail and then I'll set it on its way to the house it belongs. Update guys. I got it fairly clean. It actually looks almost new. I got to do this side and then I got to finish this. The front of it is basically there. It does look basically brand new. I'll keep you guys updated. Alrighty guys, so this is going to be the end of the video today. That was a weird noise I just made. The computer is completely clean. It looks 10 times better. I went ahead and cleaned this side as well. My freaking lighting. I'm pretty sure it's my carpet. The color of it messes with it. But yeah. I also have Windows all nice and updated. As you can see, it is all nice and updated. I really think they should get at least 8 gigs of RAM for this because they only have 2.3 gigs left. If I had more RAM, I would upgrade it for them. But it's nice they have HDMI and stuff. But so hope you guys did. If you did, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, drop a dislike. See you guys next video, and peace out.